If you have a garden, then you know how painful it can be to deal with weeds. Now imagine if you could take a whole ton of electricity and blow them to smithereens. Welcome back to another video where today we'll be covering some awesome agricultural equipment, not excluding one built solely to zap weeds. If you enjoy this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe or like the video to see more like it in the future. First up, we have the weed zapper. This system takes power from the tractor's PTO and converts it into a high voltage electric current to eradicate weeds. The electrodes are set at a height where conduction can only happen through the stem of younger weeds. The high working voltage is produced by utilizing a 5-step power amplification process. Of course, the weed zapper comes standard with all the safety features to prevent any accidents. Several types of electric weeders were made at the beginning of the 19th century. These are becoming more popular as many farmers abandon chemical weed solutions due to health concerns, which some claim can cause cancer. Next, we have the Robomax J.D. Brower Kazmak, a Canadian company that manufactures the state-of-the-art automated saw and harvester. Its electronic auto steer makes micro adjustments, while the hydraulic cutting head with adjustable down pressure delivers precise cuts with consistent placement and proven automatic flap control. The Robomax J.D. always makes a neat pallet because it has an innovative gripper head with a squeeze mechanism for fine-tuning stacking adjustments. The Robomax J.D. is easy to move around and simple to use without sacrificing comfort. It also has software and diagnostics that are easy on the wallet. The adjustable pallet injector can stack up to 18 different size pallets, and double-sided balance multi-machine operations can move fallen pallets away from the cut line. Next, we have the pumpkin harvester. David Bowman Limited, the largest European pumpkin producer, owns this purpose-built machine. Annually, the company sells several million fresh pumpkins to supermarkets in the UK and other European suppliers. Unlike standard pumpkin harvesters, which only get seed, the company needs a machine that could safely pick up new ripened pumpkins. Before deploying this machine, the pumpkins are cut from their roots, then this machine picks them up directly from the ground. After that, these are washed and put into crates. Next, we have the Airflex from Honeybee. This is a unique multi-crop harvester offering a working width of 50 feet. It features sensors and air suspension, allowing the header to shade the ground and pick up more peas, lentils, and soybeans. It may be utilized in flex or stiff mode by pressing a button in the cap. The cutter bar remains stiff in rigid mode, which is great for cereals. The Airflex shaves the ground in flex mode and is ideal for soybeans, peas, and lentils. The air suspension is lightweight, quick to respond, and endlessly adaptable. The header height system maintains the header at the optimal height in all terrains and cutting modes. An innovative control panel is featured, allowing the user complete control of this machine. Our 3060 is a self-propelled two-row sieving harvester that can be used in both wet and dry conditions, as well as on flat or hilly terrain. It comes with an automatic depth control system, a side shift, and a hull topper. 2 drag shoes at the bottom to maintain the flails at a specific height above the ridges, each operating a lifting cylinder. Since it is attached to the front wheel frame, the hum topper breaks out the dirt and turns. The depth can be automatically adjusted from the cab. The harvesting and driving joysticks give the driver great comfort and simplicity. Moreover, this harvesting machine is powered by the Scania DC9 385A, which is a 350 horsepower engine and offers smooth running and low consumption operations. Foreign. Next, we have the SC300 front. This cultivator is a front-mounted attachment designed for tractors, offering a working width of 3 meters. It has a large rotor diameter, making it possible to tilt deeper for better growing bed preparation. Its power drain takes power from a 250 horsepower engine to take on any soil conditions. Its mountable adjustable ridge formers move dirt towards the ridge and away from the wheel track without pressing the soil. This ensures that there is enough loose dirt to produce a planter ridge. It works best with a 250 horsepower tractor and the MS 4000, which is a 4-row planter. Up next, we have the continuous manure applicator from Cadman. This manure applicator is based on 2 units but is operated by one person. Injector unit has a patent swivel arm that pulls hose units while moving. When the tractor turns, the swing arm rotates to the side of the toolbar, maintaining the position of the hose in the row. Concerning the tractor from the tractor's cab, the operator can control the reel and steering of the hose as it moves. Without a tank, the soil gets minimally impacted. Moreover, it provides a broader time window for spreading liquid manure throughout the row. According to the latest research, this manure applicator increases profits as it can be used when the crops are growing, which maximizes yield. Foreign. The FC13460RA lawnmower represents a robust, large-scale landscaping solution designed for expansive terrains by a company specializing in agricultural machinery and equipment. Distinguished by its unique design, this lawnmower is tailored to efficiently handle sizable areas, with a standout feature being its extended arm, a crucial element for swift and effective grass cutting. The extended arm significantly increases its swath width, enabling rapid coverage of substantial ground, and enhancing its utility across various landscapes. Primarily utilized in environments such as livestock farms, extensive grasslands, and golf courses, the lawnmower excels in the meticulous maintenance of green spaces. Its ability to quickly mow significant amounts of grass proves particularly valuable in locations where extensive grass cover demands regular upkeep. Beyond expanding its swath width, the extended arm minimizes the time required to complete the task, embodying a harmonious blend of specialized design, mechanical prowess, and targeted application. The apple harvesting machine is an agricultural apparatus engineered to automate the collection of ripe apples from trees. Comprising various components and mechanisms, these machines collaboratively function to gather apples efficiently from orchards. Employing shaking or vibrating mechanisms, they dislodge ripe apples from the tree branches. The harvested apples are subsequently guided onto conveyor belts or into collection bins, facilitating their transport for further processing or storage. Modern iterations of apple harvesting machines integrate sensors and advanced technology to optimize the harvesting process. By detecting the ripeness level of the fruit, these machines ensure that only mature apples are harvested. The automation of the harvesting process results in a significant enhancement of efficiency and a reduction in labor costs. Additionally, these machines contribute to minimizing damage to both the fruit and the trees, surpassing the potential harm associated with manual picking. Nevertheless, the effectiveness of these machines can be influenced by factors such as tree variety, orchard layout, and fruit distribution. In essence, the apple harvesting machine streamlines the collection of ripe apples from trees through the utilization of shaking mechanisms and advanced technology. This approach not only improves efficiency and fruit quality but also addresses prevailing labor challenges in the agricultural industry. Last but not least, we have the Joskin Trans-Space 9200. It is an agricultural tipping trailer with a 30.8 cubic meter volume capacity and a body length of 9.2 meters. Professionals use it for transporting high volumes of potatoes. Left side panel is 6.5 meters long but 1.25 meters lower than the right one. This difference in bottom level reduces the falling height of potatoes. While loading, the front end last axles can be steered, providing excellent maneuverability. The body's floor is made of a 4mm thick hard ox, while the sidewalls are composed of grade 550 high tensile steel. The telescopic hydraulic tipping arm is mounted on a double oscillating frame on the front of the chassis. This device adjusts for tipping string torsions and protects the hydraulic ram and body. It also incorporates tipping stabilizers which securely keep the trailer on the ground during tilting. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these two. For more cool machinery, feel free to like and subscribe. We always appreciate it, and with that, we'll see you next time.